Alright, what's going on? Today I'm going to show you a couple different IP pullers, sniffers that you can download right now and use for free on your PlayStation, Xbox, any console. First one I'm going to show you is Electro Sniffer Revised. Just look up Electro Sniffer and you will find it. So what you want to do right here is you want to come in, launch Electro Sniffer panel, choose your network adapter. Now it's going to be one of your Microsoft hosts. I think it's going to be probably my third one. Let me see. First, maybe? Yeah, whatever one lets you click enable ARP spoofing is the right adapter. Okay, now unless you're running a VPN, you don't need to touch that. Go ahead and do in party. Right? Now, before you start it up, you're going to want to come here. Go to right here. Select your console. You're going to figure out what your PlayStation IP is. Mine's not running right now. If it was, it would show it. Mine's 1.7. You're going to choose it. Let's say that's my PlayStation IP, and you're going to hit start. Once you hit start, it'll start showing up IPs of people who you hop in parties with or you go in-game with. And that's basically how easy Electro Sniffer is. Very, very simple. Alright, the next one I'm going to show you, let's see, what do I want to show you next? We'll go with, where's it at? Just give me a second, I got so much stuff on here. Lank Remastered's always a good one. You can download that. My copy needs to be updated. Looking for IP tools. I know it's up here. Just give me a second to find it. We'll just check this one, check out this one. This is Ether Packet Sniffer. Now what you want to do with this one is go ahead to Sniffer, select network adapter. Again, you're going to choose your correct network adapter. This is my correct one. Hit OK. Sniffer. Then you're going to go Sniffer, Configure, and you're going to go ahead and put in your PlayStation IP. Hit OK. And then once you got everything set up, just press start. Good to go. Alright, the next couple we're going to look at are very advanced. Really advanced, like into detail. Wireshark's the most advanced, of course, but these also are very advanced. This one right here is probably the most advanced one besides Wireshark I've ever come upon. So, go ahead and do a quick analysis. Now right now it's just monitoring my traffic. You got Ethernet, you got IP Explorer. So what you would want to look for is your Wi-Fi, local subnet. And you can click on each one too. Make a filter. So to make a filter, what you want to do, first let me show you the different views we got. DNS log, we got that. We got the matrix view, which will show your default gateway and everything you're pinging. Every single thing that your network is talking to. Then you got ports. You can check what ports you have, which ones are open, etc. What nodes go to them, what they're connected to. IP conversations. I don't want to show too much of that because I don't want my IP to be popped in there. IP import. You got your protocols. And then a quick summary. So if you go from Ethernet to IP, right now that's how many packets we're getting. 2 TCP to 4 UDP. And then you could break it down even further. You got DNS queries, responses. Like I said, this is for very, very, very high level network analysts and people that want to monitor their network. Alright, so what you would do is come here and just give your filter a name. Give it an address rule. Go by IP address, right? And then go ahead and throw your PlayStation 192.168.1.7 would be mine. And then your endpoint, do the same thing. Same IP address, 192.168.1.7. Port rule. You want to do port range from 0 to any port. Then OK. Oh, this port's invalid. But you get it. Once you get that, you'll have your ports. I don't forget what mine runs on, 9307, something like that. And it's really a great analysis, network analysis tool. This is the free copy. So you can go in here, go to IP, do all kinds of things with it. It's really in-depth. Alright, we're going to stop this and see if we got time to show you guys one more. Let's see what else we got here. Check that out already. Net tools. Did we check this out yet? I think that's the one I was looking for actually. Alright, this was another full network monitoring tool. but it does a lot more too. I want to be careful not to give out my IP address on screen. So you got window, tool system, network, display, multimedia, add, remove, system configuration, quick launches, run, logging. You got views. You got all kinds of stuff in here. That is Essential Net Tools. Check that out. Definitely a very, very good tool. DLL file or something. And looks like that's about it. I did happen to find a download for Console Sniffer. I don't know if it's correct. No, that's the old one. You don't want Console Sniffer anyway. You want, if you're gonna go the easy route, go with Octo. It really is the best out there. If you're gonna have a push button sniffer, $10. Again, Night Shark you used to have to use with Octo. And it says it has a sniffer built into it. I've never tried using the sniffer on here though. So we would do ARP sniff, right? Alright, enable advanced mode. Scan network, so I would choose my default gateway and then my target, which would be 1.7. Exclude local IPs. You would start ARP spoofing and then start your sniffer. I've never actually tried this by itself, but I'm going to next time I have it fired up. So I hope that helped you guys. You have any questions, just let me know and I'll try to help you. See what we can do. Let's see real quick. Need some, I'm not going to open that up. It's just a database of all old stuff. Just double checking, make sure I got everything I wanted to show you. These here are some tools like ping and death tools, things like that. You can find those on YouTube. Well, that's it for Beaver Mods on YouTube. This is IP It Hurts, and I am out. Peace.